BabyBus.
Earthquake evacuation.
Finally got it.
Sir, this is for you.
What's going on?
Oh no! It's an earthquake! Make sure everyone's safe!
Got it!
Run! Stop! Stay calm, everyone! Cover your head and find a safe place to hide!
Little dog!
Hurry! Under the table! Hold on tight!
Watch me! Hide near pillars, in corners, and under counters!
Stay away from the windows! They could collapse! Restrooms are good places to hide, because they're small and sturdy. Then I'll just stay here.
Huh? Did it stop?
There could be aftershocks. Let's evacuate through an emergency exit now.
Line up and don't push others.
This way! The elevator! It will be faster! Hurry, hurry! It's here!
Oh! Stop! Elevators can break down at any time, so we need to use an emergency exit.
I got it! My yo-yo! That was so scary. It really was. Thank you for getting me out. Oh, you're little chick. Yes, I'm little chick. Oh, where's my little dog? Little dog! Little dog!
Ms. Duck, what's going on?
My little duck is missing!
What?
Huh? He might still be in the building. Papillon, stay here and keep everyone safe.
Got it!
Dobie, come with me. Let's go up through the emergency exit. Huh? Little Duck's footprints. Dobie, this way. Hey! Little Duck! Little Duck! Huh? Are you okay, Dobie?
I'm fine. Ow!
Huh?
It's Little Duck.
Come out, please!
Just leave it! Watch out! It's an aftershock! Hide now!
Oh no! They're in danger!
It stopped! Let's get out of here!
Oh, no!
Papillon!
Hurry up! Oh, sweetie! Grandma! Sweetie, I'm so glad that you're safe.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, if an earthquake happens when you're in a mall, bookstore, or exhibition hall, don't panic. Stay calm. If you're far from an emergency exit, hide in a safe place nearby. Hide under sturdy counters or furniture, or crouch down near a pillar or in the corner of a wall, covering your head. Stay away from windows, shelves, billboards, and hanging lamps. They might easily collapse or fall down. Wait until the shaking stops, then evacuate the building through the emergency exits.
Never take an elevator or an escalator.
And leave your belongings.
Woof!
Phone call from a stranger.
Sweetie, I'm going to the market. Don't open the door to anyone. And don't answer the phone if you don't know the number.
Uh-huh.
Bye.
Who's calling? I don't know this number. I shouldn't answer it. What if it's an emergency? Hello, this is Little Sheep.
Huh? It's a kid. Hello, little sheep. Are your parents home?
They went out.
They are not at home. That's great.
Who is this?
I'm Uncle Bear, a friend of your mom and dad. Don't you remember me?
Uncle Bear?
That's right. I bought a cake for you.
Wow, cake!
Can you wait outside? I'll be there soon.
Okay, I'm coming! Uncle Bear!
There you are. Come with me.
Oh, Sweetie, where are you? Sweetie!
Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador, my child little sheep is missing. Please help me.
What? We'll be right there.
Sheriff Labrador, my daughter was playing with clay right here, but she disappeared when I got back.
Don't worry. Leave it to us.
The windows are locked from the inside.
And the room looks all right, too.
Huh? There's clay on the phone. Looks like Little Sheep answered the phone. Papillon, check this number.
Got it! Hey! Oh no! It's a fraud call!
Maybe Little Sheep was tricked by the phone call.
Where's the location of this number?
Right here! Rainbow Apartment!
Let's go!
Hi.
Where is the bad person hiding? Ouch!
Hello, your pizza is arriving soon. Pizza delivery? I have a good idea.
So hungry. What is it?
Congratulations! You've won a free pizza coupon!
A free pizza?
This is your last chance. If you don't want it, this delicious pizza will go to the next lucky person.
I'll take it. Room 602 at Rainbow Apartment. Hurry, please.
Papillon, are you ready?
I'm ready! The super sticky pizza! He'll be stuck right away!
Wow! Right here. Pizza delivery!
It's here.
Huh?
Wow!
Coming! Oh? Ah, it's my pizza!
Oh, it's mine!
Hands off! It's mine! Give it to me! Oh?
Hey!
Police! I gotta run!
Stop! Hey! Ow! Stop! Ow!
Huh? What's that?
Stop!
Stop right there! Hey!
Move!
Dobie!
Stop!
You can't catch me!
Hey!
You can't jump, huh? Bye then!
Stop right there!
Dobie, Papillon, use super capture!
Hi!
Heh. Super capture! Move one!
Flying Dobie, go!
You haven't eaten your pizza yet! Ha! Nobody can run away from me!
Little sheep, you're safe now. We got the bad guy.
I'll never answer calls from strangers again!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, if you get a phone call from a stranger, don't answer it. Just tell your parents. If you happen to answer a call from a stranger, never tell them you're alone and don't say anything about you, or bad people might trick you. Please remember that.
Woof!
Safety in swimming pools.
Stop right there!
You'll never catch me!
My donuts!
Oh no! I need to hide!
Little ducks under the bridge. Come along and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh. That's it! Quack, quack! Quack, quack!
He got away again!
Hi, officers. Quack.
Hi!
Huh? Is that Thief Chicken's prison uniform? Oh no! Looks like he's hiding among the ducks. Let's go now! Huh?
Huh? They all look alike. Huh? I gotta go find him.
Wait! If you surprise him, he might hurt the ducks around him. I have an idea. We're the new swimming coaches. Let's start the lesson now.
Okay, let's do it. Quack.
Do you think we can find him if we disguise as swimming coaches?
Chickens can't swim, so we'll be able to find him if we watch carefully.
Ouch!
That's dangerous. Quack.
That hurts. Kids, this is the first lesson we're gonna learn today. You shouldn't throw things around near the pool. You might slip and fall. Put your gear on this shelf.
Yes, sir! Quack!
And remember, you must warm up before going into the pool. Otherwise, you might get muscle cramps.
Everyone, follow me. Let's warm up.
Okay!
1, 2, 3, 4.
The police are gone, so no need to hide anymore. I gotta go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh no! It's the police!
1, 2, 3, 4.
What should I do? Did they notice me?
The warm-up is done. Now put on your safety gear and get ready to swim.
Okay! Quack, quack, quack! Let's go swimming! Quack!
Uh-oh, I don't know how to swim. They're gonna find me right away. What should I do? What should I do?
Kids, let's get into the pool.
Yes, sir! Quack, quack!
Line up and one by one.
Splish, splash, in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quack, quack, quack!
Wait! Huh? You didn't wear the swim tube correctly. That's not safe.
I got it. Let me help you.
It's okay. I'll do it myself.
Your foot. Your head?
It's just...
You're Thief Chicken.
Ah, you found me.
You can't run away.
Be careful around the pool. It's slippery.
Help! I'm stuck in the swim tube. Please help me. That was so scary.
Huh? So he's Thief Chicken?
Thief Chicken, you're under arrest. You're coming with us.
See, you shouldn't act like him. Follow the safety rules in the swimming pool.
We got it!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, the floor around the pool can be slippery. So if you run or throw things around near the pool, you might slip and get hurt. Before swimming, you need to warm up and wear proper safety gear. And it's dangerous to play in the deep water area, so play in the kids' area only.
Woof!
Train safety! Come on, Mommy! Let's go!
The train's leaving soon. All passengers, please get on board.
Oh, Dobie, what's this big suitcase?
For a long trip like this, of course I'm bringing lots of things.
Oh, wow! Automatic doors! Amazing!
Oh, Dobie, are you okay?
I'm so sorry! Sweetie, stop running around!
The train's leaving soon. Have a pleasant journey.
Yahoo! Wow, it's so beautiful!
It's so hot!
Oh!
The train's arriving soon at Rainforest Station. Please prepare to get off.
It stopped! I can get off and play! Wow! Cake! Cake, cake!
I made it!
What shall I choose? This and this? I want them all! Oh! Wait for me, train! Oh, little bear! Where are you?
Miss Bear, what's wrong?
Sheriff Labrador, my child was running around on the train, and now he's missing. What should I do?
Don't worry, Miss Bear. We'll help you find Little Bear.
What should I do? The train's gone. Mommy!
Hey, kid. Looking for your mommy? Come with me. I'll help you find your mommy.
Really? Thank you, sir.
He fell for it. Ah! Ow!
Sir, I want to have some cake.
After we find your mommy.
But I'm so hungry, please.
All right. I'll buy you one.
Well.
Come on, have some. Then let's go find your mommy. Have you seen this kid around?
No.
Have you seen this kid?
No, I haven't.
Oh.
Miss Rabbit, have you seen Little Bear around?
Oh, he's the one who was running around on the train, and he knocked over my plate. He went that way. I'm so sorry, Miss Rabbit.
Mr. Sloth! Have you seen Little Bear?
Yes.
Great. Where is he?
He just got off the train.
Oh no! He's at Rainforest Station! We need to take the train back!
Sir, I want some more. I want some more.
Why are you eating so much? Come with me right now.
I don't want to go with you. I'm going to find Mommy.
Don't even think about it.
Leave him alone!
Oh no! The police!
Sweetie, Mommy was so worried.
I won't run around again.
Stop!
Huh? Oh no!
Oh, over there!
Don't push! Don't push!
Sheriff Labrador! Make way for us, please! Stop right there! Stop!
Why won't they stop chasing me? Aha! I gotta run through there.
Don't step over the safety line!
I'm not listening to you. Watch me. That was close. That's so scary.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, when you take the train, please be careful. When you're on the platform, don't step over the safety line. You might fall or get caught under the train. Watch your step and wait in line when getting on and off the train. Don't push others and stay close to your parents. And never run around or get off the train alone. Please remember that. Woof!
Don't play with ants. The excavator's here to dig. The bucket is moving. Oh, it is moving too. Why is everything moving around? Oh, my bread! Huh? Ouch! It hurts! Brother, what's wrong? My arm, it hurts!
Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador! Please help us! My
bitten by his bread, we'll be right there.
All the toys and snacks just moved by themselves. And then the bread bit my brother's arm.
Little chick, where did you get hurt?
Here. It hurts so much.
So it's true.
Bread can run and bite people? Stop! Huh? It's just plain bread.
Watch out for the ant! Looks like little chick got bitten by an ant like this. It looks venomous. We need to take him to the hospital.
Don't bite me, ant!
Brother Chick!
It went away.
Huh? So many anthills.
And here too. So many ants!
Oh no! Run!
They're coming!
Stop chasing us!
Go up!
You can't catch us now! They're still following us!
Hurry! Come on!
Now you can't follow us, huh? Whoa! Seriously? I can't believe it! Ah! They're here! Run! There's Labrador! What do we do now?
I'm calling Papillon for support!
Huh? What's this? Ew! It stinks!
Papillon, we're being chased by ants! We need your help!
Ants? Oh, I know what to do! I'll be right there!
This way!
Now you can't get us! Uh-oh, we're getting shorter!
Oh no! They're all around us!
It's trying to bite my bottom!
Papillon always has a way! Steak bomb!
Aren't those my socks? It stinks! Phew, we're finally safe.
Papillon, to the hospital! Little chick needs to be treated!
Got it!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk! Kids, you shouldn't touch ants or get too close to their hills. Some ants are venomous, and if you get bitten by them, it can swell up and even endanger your life. Please remember that.
Woof! Don't play with fire equipment!
Oh, let's go over there.
Wow!
Wow, it smells so good.
Yummy tornado potatoes! Here we go! Oh, what's that smell? Ah, my tail! Ah!
It's on fire!
Watch out!
Help me!
Huh? Get the fire extinguisher!
Huh? Where is it?
Ah, help! Oh!
I'm coming! Phew, that was close.
Ow! My bottom almost got burned!
It's dangerous not having a fire extinguisher.
Someone must have taken it. Sheriff Labrador, please help me find out.
Don't worry, there's no case that I can't solve. Huh? A small handprint? Here's a smaller one, too.
What's on the wall? Traces of fire extinguisher spray. And it's on the balloon, too. Did the fire extinguisher fly away?
No, I think some kids took it. We need to find them right now.
I'll go take a look. They went that way. It's so windy. What's going on?
Toby!
Help me!
Coming through! Coming through! Toby, hold on tight!
I found him!
Toby!
I saw little monkeys playing with the fire extinguishers. They went that way.
That's so dangerous. We need to go stop them.
Wow! Oh! Wow, that's awesome! You know what's really awesome? Watch me!
Stop! That's dangerous!
My eyes!
Oh no! Oh no! Toby, get the fire extinguisher!
Leave it to me!
Help me!
Watch out! Hold on tight!
Got you! Bounce! Nothing can get away from me!
Let's take him to the hospital!
We'll never play with fire extinguishers again!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk! Kids, moving or damaging fire equipment is against the law, so you shouldn't play with fire extinguishers. If there are no fire extinguishers around when a fire breaks out, it's hard to control the fire. Also, if you don't use it correctly, you might seriously harm yourself and others. Please remember that.
Woof!
Don't eat dirty food! Oh. Wow! Mr. Fox! I want one!
All right, just a moment. Here you are.
What's this? Mr. Fox, what's this black thing?
It's just chocolate. You seem to really like my salad. I'll give you another one.
Thanks! Ow! My tummy hurts! Ow! Where's the restroom? Why are there so many people here? Ow! My tummy! Ow!
Uh-oh, they don't look well.
Oh, my tummy! Sheriff Labrador, all these people got food poisoning.
Huh?
Something's wrong.
Huh? Food poisoning? Toby, please find out what they ate today. Hey, kid. How are you feeling?
I've got the runs 3 times.
Do you remember what you ate today?
I had ice cream, fruit salad, and a cake. Oh no! I need to go again!
Sir, here's the report. They all had ice cream, cake, and fruit salad.
Let's go investigate these shops.
It's not me. My cake shop has been here for 100 years. Such a thing has never happened since my grandfather's grandfather was here.
Not me. I'm sure that nothing's wrong with my yummy ice cream. Look, my ice cream's fine.
What? Are you suspecting me? My shop is really clean. Every fruit salad is carefully selected by myself. And prepared by myself. Wow, I love fruit salad. I'd like to have one, please. Great choice. I don't think there is any problem with those shops.
But don't eat it! I smelled rotten fruit in Mr. Fox's salad shop. He must be hiding something.
What? Isn't that Mr. Fox? What is he doing there?
Let's go follow him.
Rotten fruit is everywhere. Those police officers believed what I said. I don't care about rotten fruit. I'm not eating them anyway.
Mr. Fox, it was you who made people sick. us to the police station.
I'm gonna run! Ouch! See you later! You can have it back! Oh, it's so disgusting!
You don't want to eat rotten fruit, do you?
You're so bad! You are going to the police station with us! Ow! My tummy! Please take me to the hospital first!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk! Kids, check your food before eating. If it looks dirty or rotten, or it's past its expiration date, you shouldn't eat it. Rotten food can cause stomachache and even food poisoning. Please keep these in mind. Woof!
The shoe-biting escalator!
Kids, be careful! Kids, where are you?
It smells so good!
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it.
Are you all right, Ms. Squirrel? Are you in a rush?
Sheriff Labrador, my children are missing. Please help me find them.
We're on it. Excuse me, have you seen two little squirrels around?
About this tall.
I just saw them at the aquarium.
Thank you.
Dobie! Let's split up here. Little squirrels! Little squirrels!
Little squirrels! Little squirrels!
Aha! I found you! Wrong person!
Oh no! My paintings! Thank goodness they're all safe.
This painting.
What do you think? Nice, huh?
Wow! Are these two monsters fighting under a waterfall?
No.
Oh?
These are two little squirrels on an escalator.
That's right! You have good eyes!
They should still be there. Let's go! There they are!
My shoe is stuck!
Watch out!
Sweetie! Thank you, Sheriff Labrador.
Kids, playing on the escalator is very dangerous, and you could get hurt.
I'm sorry. We'll never do that again.
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, you should only take an escalator with your parents and never play around while standing on it. In case of an emergency, press the emergency stop button and the escalator will stop right away. Please remember that. Woof!